Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. The challenges of sanity testing. Some of the challenges of sanity testing include: it has a relatively narrow scope and can miss some issues. Sanity testing is unscripted. Developers don't always know how to fix the bugs found in sanity testing. Sanity testing only focuses on commands and functions of the software. 1. It has a narrow scope. Sanity testing has a very narrow scope compared to many other types of testing. 2. It's unscripted. While some testers might consider this to be an advantage, the fact that sanity testing is unscripted means that there is no documentation to look back on in the future if developers or testers want to check the results of a sanity test. 3. It only tests functions and commands. Sanity testing is only used to test functions and commands in a software build. You can't test how the software functions at the design structure level in sanity testing, meaning it's not always easy for developers to identify where the issues that arise are and how to fix them. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.